Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this pretty rainbow flower necklace. This project is very easy and quick to do, so it's perfect for the beginners. For this project I use basic looks from Mondial in these rainbow colors. You can find more information in the description box. I use a 3.5mm hook. I use this kit from Prim, and a necklace, a little ring, and a wooden button. Okay, now we're going to create a total of 6 petals, so let's create the first petal together. So first we are going to create a magic ring. Then chain 2, and this counts as your first half double crochet. Then we do 6 half double crochets into the ring. So now we have a total of 7 half double crochets. Pull the tail, then join with a slip stitch into the second chain. And now we are going to increase each stitch. So first chain 2, this counts as your first half double crochet, then we do 1 half double crochets more in the same stitch. Then we do 2 half double crochets all around in every stitch. And at the end of this round, we have a total of 14 half double crochets. So now we have a total of 14 half double crochets all the way around. Now join with a slip stitch into the second chain. And now we are going to increase again. So first chain 2, remember this counts as your first half double crochet, then we do 1 half double crochets more in the same stitch. And now we do 1 half double crochets into the next stitch and repeat this sequence. So we do 2 half double crochets into the next stitch, then we do 1 half double crochets into the next one. And continue to repeat this until the end of this round. So now we have 21 half double crochets and join with a slip stitch into the second chain. Okay, now chain 1 do not count as a stitch, then we do 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So we start with 4 single crochets. Now we are going to create a shape of the petal. And now we do 1 half double crochets into the next 4 stitches. Now we have 4 single crochets, then 4 half double crochets, and now we do 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Then we do 2 double crochets more into the next stitch. And now we do 2 double crochets, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, and 1 picot. To create a picot, first chain 3, then insert the hook into the first chain, yarn over and slip stitch, and this is the picot. Then we do 2 double crochets more, all in the same stitch. Okay, now we do 2 double crochets into the next stitch, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and repeat into the next one. So we do 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And now we do 1/2 double crochets into the next 4 stitches. And now we do 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. And join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. So now we are ready to cut the yarn. Then grab your tapestry needle and weave the tails inside the work. So now the first petal is done, and do the other 5 petals in the same way. I choose rainbow style, so I've done 1 red, 1 orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. So all we have to do now is to grab a piece of yarn and the tapestry needle. Then we join the 6 petals together in this way. I do a couple of knots, then weave the tails inside the work. And now we are ready to attach the wooden button using the hot glue. And now I want to insert a little ring on the back of the flower using pliers. Then of course insert the necklace into the ring. And now let me show you the finished rainbow flower necklace. This project is a great gift for yourself, for friends and family members. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your rainbow flower necklace. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!